Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to find trending hashtags on TikTok. For example, if you are a content creator and you want to find the trending hashtag so that you can use in your post so that you can get more views and followers on TikTok. So how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the TikTok here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on that magnifying glass or search button. So here what you have to do, you have to simply search for your uh, hashtag initial, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on hashtags, and you can simply find all the hashtags related to your hashtag initial. So you can simply see that number of posts in front of all the tags. So you can simply whether choose which kind of tag you want to add in your post so that you can get more views and followers by simply using that tags. So there is the method that you can simply get the hashtags. Moreover, you can simply click on the top content, and after that you have to simply open their content, and you can simply see their description that which kind of tags they have used. So you have to simply search for that tag initial, and after that you have to simply search that video which got more views using that tag. So in this way you can simply get the trending hashtags on TikTok. Moreover, you can also follow the recommended uh, content creator which get more views on that tags, and you can simply see their tags whether they use tags in their videos, and after that you can simply use that tags which get more views on their videos. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.